I needed a new ignition switch for my John Deere lawn tractor. It's a model L130. And here's the old ignition switch right here. And it was old, worn out. The key would hardly stay in it anymore. It was time to get a new one. So I purchased the one right now that I've already installed. And let me show you how it is that you can take it out and install this yourself. Now you see right here on the side where my fingers are, you can just push these in. And when you push them in, you can pop it up through the dash. So let me show you how I did that. So I have my hand underneath the dash and I can push it really easily and it comes right out. And then here are all the plugs that plug into the back end of it. And I pushed it back in. You might have heard the click and now it's in there. So let me show you. You might wonder, well, how do I know how to plug it in? Can I put it in wrong? Well, you can see here that these are a very unique pattern, the way that these pins are lined up. And so it's really impossible for you to plug it in the wrong way. And so again, you might have to push firmly to get it to plug in, but it's nothing that you won't be able to do. And now let me show you how the new ignition switch works. All right, time for the moment of truth. And there you have it. It works terrific. So if you need a new ignition switch for your lawn tractor and you're wondering, is this one going to work? I can tell you that my experience with this has been great. I hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.